be green snake that the green grass. I know people where they give information. I know them now. And the people will still hate me. Let them tell you where they put my money. They never tell you where they tell me you go take the picture. Me can come social. Or me they find my picture. You know fear something. Now tomorrow I will tell you. I'll still come out for you. Can't tell you the rest one. See bombard you. Go is okay. We are shower. Yoji. When I have to go live, we sango. You go the talk. Here I go. One no bad no. The woman will stay with you 3 times from my papa's. Machine no come, machine no come, machine no come, machine no come. You know how many times? Like they open mouth, they talk to say he asks you one boy so. Now what you rambo no feedback? Now what you get no feedback? Or now what you not feedback? Now what you done no feedback? Or now what you no work no feedback? Now what is that okay no feedback? Ah, fear. You're not ashamed of yourself. Fuck you, something. I give you this with Eddy Eddy Izua. From today on, not be social president. Na Eddy Izua. Eddy Izua call me. Eledumare. Obrigado. Então to meji. You my boss, you my boss. Me akiti me. I say you man. The na imu babu. Shawo. E motan gets that get BB breastfed. I say e mo gelogy vacilable. Ne ku go dey talk that person will carry new weight hot from say a person and then the most way they say when they talk like and if they talk Saga continue when they look at the hand not the open because Saga continue 1 minute before you open her Saga continue after that sleep they walk I walk I knew know what him I knew rubbish idiot you are playing with me I did Paris I want to talk to anybody people will know me Ghana man na me kick his ass na me it tire me now kick his is a bastard is still wayward the way the more be now kick drunker he go not drunk on the floor be fight for us you want that you get people where they wait for Paris here now here I go they beat them now the year for jail I never ready for them now small I know the fear to do the fuck except my own never come my own come for you. My sister, what I want you to tell you, say, make una no worry. Make it, one of the push and make it come out. I will bring a papa picture come out, a papa picture. I will bring her come out with his mama picture. And I know say many people don't get the ring, they go audio, but I will bring her come out. Useless human being. I'm gonna lose and get back. Oh my God, why was so big? Disgrace upon disgrace. A bit outside. Disgrace. Maybe the day you took away. In mind, not be bomb here. Obo you go, mama, me born at there. We are boy you go. Follow the query, you are here, ye trouser. One more name, why are here? Adobe be a year organic cream. See, you see my face, you see organic cream for my face. See, I'm a sweet babe, sweet mama. You see, I'm not side B now. You see organic, you see my face wrinkle? No. You see any wrinkle for my face? No. You see people where they buy organic cream for you, hell salon, they pity them. Una go see na wrinkle. Now daughter they know una. May so come out this thing for face, una see face. Na wrinkle. Other black thing we call the day woman. Because the cream where they do, they say go come swobu. No what it is swobu. I never see the organic cream they spoil. It will come spoil, it will come black. So can spell organic cream. Babu. Spell organic. Me majo is school. I'm not saying that I go to school. Me majo ye. But so very made of the class in me on. Then why you work young and say today I better pass because for my tell will you technology. Waona fano ko fania. Ikenie fano se na. Awaya ye mu iwa mu ebi ana. E mo po. Wow. If you beg your ha. If you beg is to hame wanu quiet if you beg the social media. Useless man. Yaga de yo no gana ge capture sa. Awogu no ya gwe rest in peace. Una tie bonnet di morphine babana la wo gbonpa ma se. Una moviere la dona joja. Woma happy. Unwa edekore happy with family wa. Tell mama. Unwa dekore happy with family wa. Una moviere la dona go via. Agonoga yimi. Nuwe captosa na to bue the morphine. I dey come for you. You dey craze. Ogun will kill you. Ogun will mama you. Ogun will want kill you with his okay. They do press up. You get standing. Una mo latin. Una Trojan still. Na cookie me. Iji many me mwe. My people get as it be. I will not cookie me. Iji me see me aye. Ubi me gbe na niji me hang na dey because what's here? Era mo koko me. Ve standing na keke ba no get iji ra me. O koko me. I did 9 months when my mama leave me. 9 months. Now day. I can't say my papa no help me. I dey ask. 9 months now day. When my mama leave me. But I still thank God say my father see my father my daddy enemy still love my mother. Our time alone. You understand me? That way the woman I can't take clear. Daddy, thank you very much. Daddy, I really appreciate. I really appreciate. I love you with all my heart. Where I keep you from my heart. If I love you. Even though I only that bed, Daddy, I respect you 24 hours. If you don't my way, Baba, why I toss it around you? Why is it all your bone you do? I love you. I don't see where man, no matter woman. You go see where he died, where they bury, I not come for us. Still give him 2 days, I'll be 3 days, we'll tell you now, Christian burial will do. We'll tell you, but my daddy he don't move an inch for the house. The day when my mother died, he cried when my papa cried. I look my papa like this. Now don't see man where they take care of another children, where another woman, where no they will not put money for her, they take care of. You want to talk about what you say? Picking when my mama born for Igbo man, say that they do job follow my papa. It's okay. If not truth, that cause will not cause will fire. But if not lie, it's okay. That cause will not carry come at this man now have to go sit down. Or lie. I they tell you that cause now have to go sit down. Now my papa they take care of that truth. If not some men no will agree. They look all of them. The senior one that day, my papa put on for enough is stay. Which man will do that one? And they ask, which man will do? I'm gonna let me know. Mona they comment and beg, Mona they write for me. Which man will do? Carry this man on the insult. Some people go do that Nigeria. You know how many people my papa don't have? Where they don't see money to do burial. They don't see money to eat. My papa, You know how many people when my father buy as they come ban the bike. You know how many people my father buy bike if they go to work. You know how many houses my papa get? We don't even know. So people go over there sit down, they don't even say my papa. They go tell my papa, Daddy, thank you. Daddy, thank you. Daddy, my papa will say, why they thank me? They go say, Daddy, let me they stay for that your house. They go say, which house? I'm not talk say na be killer, na thief. Many things. Yes, my father love women. Yes. Now what did they give him joy with that? If the women don't love my papa, they not will stay with him. Yes, that is true. Yes. Now what did they give him joy? Make it one. Since you not come marry your mama, now you say you want die. And that kind of mama will not fit marry. Na public toilet will not fit. Agwemurigba. Agwemurigba. I saw, how are you? Long time, darling. How is your husband? Agwemurigba. Wow, when you come and night and day, they use my papa. They shout for social media with his sister. So okay, I don't come for now. Feel like just the insult me. No, I thought all the old the men they for no problem. I did. So if I know insult my papa again. Not talk to his sister again. My family, anything with your concern, I do. No. No, I do now. I'll do my. Sister, the most you say me, I be wayward daughter. Your wife won't be wee daughter. The Murphy is an idiot. The Murphy saga. He fall into saga for you. Now me and you, it's not a family matter. I beg you now. All the presenter, you know not talk good. Now me with them. The Murphy, if you beat me, I enter house. I not over enter house. I not get where they go. Now here we day. What thing me go do you last? You go say, why this girl do this thing? No believe you. Can't be like they tell you. No believe you. If you see my husband, tell of the Murphy, if you stand with him or 20, if he pass you, breeze go carry him. If they work, not be jobless man. They work 12 hours. 12 hours. 12 hours. What did this man do me? What did he do for me? That papa, that Ghana man. He say he want to frustrate me. Yes, my papa give me money to start business. This man go buy 419 bus for me. If I lie, his spirit today where I did. He collect the money, go buy 419 car for me. He buy him, I pack him for passage. So I buy him, I say okay. I want the rest money. He buy the car 1,800. Because I was offered the best something inside. I can't get problem of house. People where they Paris now know how much they carry house now. You was in a 1 room, 2 room and the parlor, 3 room and 1. Know how much. When I can carry a room and a parlor, and they pay for a room and a parlor 800. Light bill not there inside. You understand me? So the money can't short me. I can't they try to raise a no fit. You understand me? I no fit. And inside that they take till the pay us. That's why they take till the pay us before CAF got the pay. CAF that time our side there. Person will get picking, one picking. Na 800, 900, 900 to 700, now they pay. And my house now how much? I just strong go. They say I also beg at the beg. Instead of me to thief, I will beg. If you're not being a man, no, who may say, stop me to thief. If I'm not to me everywhere, me, Yabi get me on, Yabi get me on. Remember, you were going to Yara supermarket. Where are ya? Where you are, my pump, some with your co. No, a German name, 1 million deporting. Oji, ya weta very learn, if you may street where do you cooking, and give me learning. It's okay. It's okay. Why you wayward? Why you wayward? Why you wayward? You will come and say, as a concerned social president wife, who does you? So no, social president wife. Wow, so rubbish people. You're not ashamed of yourself. The more feel. I bet blogger, Mona carry. Now it's okay. The house, the talk with the movie. Now maybe Shebe to Bobis. Not the change. Ele. Mo to ni na yo to ni yakin. Okuta. Iye go to na mo gbe go to wa. O to na mo gbe go to. To na mo gbe go to no wa. Yo vere yakin to na gbe mi. Na mo go ta fun mo go. Well, e to no ya yo da fun ya won okutu. O to no force da fun go no fit gbege egwa. Ino wota. E to no go ni ne di mo fit gbege egwa. But I mean, we don't have time for people that is, how will I say, darling? How will I say? Let me just use it like people that don't have, people that live like pig. Wanna put like, wanna share them, wanna let them go viral. A party, I beg, all due respect. I don't know you before. I see some message today where you do. Party, Eddy Murphy, today insult my papa 24 hours. Today insult my papa. Oh, good evening, bright. Yeah. Oh, I don't. Today insult my papa. Till now, still they insult my father. We go throw one word. We go say you know insult my father. What does that mean? What does that mean? Now my papa they cool all my brothers down. Allah, not to the happen. Cannot take me, not take me. And they cool them down, see me they cool them because a book when we're giving na yaw. We are do what we catch. Be my canoe, may not tie. You are not ashamed of yourself. Now, why? Who did you stop? Lisa, good evening. Say, Joy, you too. Every go share. Hey, Joe. My sister, may I make you clear there? Like me, 10 years. Me, I live now. I beg, I don't want you to talk. 5 euro, 5 euro. So as I was saying, my love, you understand what I'm saying? My sister, I'm just saying it. I'm not bragging. I talk with the person. Not, yes, I did work. Maybe tomorrow I'll bring my life contract work for me. I did work. I did work. Understand me? So I know you'll get time. So they talk, waiting my eye. No, now waiting my eyes now. My social president, when they talk with your eye. No, see. I hear you, my love. Sound it's okay. I know it's okay, my dear. It's okay, my sister. I know, darling, because they are pushing me. They are pushing me. They are pushing me, darling. They are pushing me because at the more with you, they know they let me drink water. May I drop cup? What did my papa do? For good 2 years, I mean 3 years, let it to 3 years, 3 years now to insult my father, not get the kid to talk because we don't want to talk to her. Because we don't want to talk to her. Who be at the more we are not fit talk to. At the more get luck say I'm not there with them for jam. Either he beat me or your wife will beat me. He know now. He know now. He know. They talk here. Carry swear, go swear. You know, God. Thank you. Thank you. They say, no cooking. Obo, ni me cooking. Obo, me no, we make him boy ever. Etienne cow, no, Etienne give. I feel bright. I still they repeat myself. Come out on social media. May you talk where you for fuck me for your passage. You for sleep with me. May you let me know. And usually almost I beg you. Me cannot the quarrel. I beg. So I can say me carry my papa matter to give you. I beg you, please. If I really carry and come out, disgrace me. I will put time for body. But if not be truth, it's okay on fear or fear. Imagine you know word. Umwera, no kokuwe, or kokowe because we do I the social media for 2 years. 2 years plus now. Mario. This man died that day. Now so you insult this man, insult. So okay, tomorrow I'll give you the rest. No worry. Tomorrow I'll give you the rest. Before I'll come enter your mama.